Donald Trump has been talking quite a bit about Hillary Clinton and legal proceedings during the campaign, saying it would be hugely damaging if Hillary is the Democratic nominee and she gets indicted by the FBI for the email scandal, for example. But meanwhile, the case against Trump's so-called Trump University is moving forward, and there is every indication that Trump is going to be an essential witness at the trial. The news comes after a New York court decided that the lawsuit by the Attorney General against Trump University is going to go to trial. A settlement could not be reached. Attorney General Eric Schneiderman of New York said, "We believe that Mr. Trump and Mr. Sexton, another individual from Trump University, will be essential witnesses at trial. As we will prove in court, Donald Trump and his sham for-profit college defrauded thousands of students out of millions of dollars." The legal team for the Trump Organization, which I should make very clear, claims to be totally unrelated to the campaign, put out a statement criticizing the entire thing. They say that this was a great place and students came and learned and blah, 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 blah. The story, the allegation, Lewis, of how this university was organized is you go to a free seminar. And at the free seminar, out come the Trump University, to call them professors would feel very, very wrong, instructors, and they recommend signing up for a 3-day seminar, which costs you about $1,500. And at the $1,500 seminar, the instructors will start to teach some real estate strategies. And at that point, the students would be enticed to sign up for a year-long mentorship program called the Trump Elite Program, which costs $20,000. And presumably, Lewis, that's where you would really learn the stuff you need to know to get rich. Basically, it's a free seminar, which was a sales pitch for a $1,500 seminar, which was a sales pitch for a $20,000 class. Does this sound scammy to you?
Extremely scammy. Yeah, this is the worst.
Yeah.
So was Trump, the question is, was Trump actively involved in the planning of all of this?
You know, he has been vocally defending all of it, saying it's terrific, it's tremendous, the students loved it, it got great reviews. So if he is going to at some point claim, if this all falls apart, that he wasn't involved, he's made no indication that he wasn't involved for the last year or however long this has been going on.
I can understand defending something that has your name attached to it.
Right.
Certainly he would not want to just say, look, this was a disaster, but I had nothing to do with it, because his name is still attached to it and it makes him look bad. So that makes sense.
Can you imagine the list of scandals that would exist in a Trump presidency? A reality show star who headed a sham university, who sells Chinese and Mexican-made products in the U.S. while saying he would bring jobs back to the U.S. from those countries, even though he's the guy who sent jobs to those countries, many jobs which don't exist anymore. That's the Republican frontrunner. This is a crazy time to live in, but I can assure you, the Trump supporters could not care less about Trump and his involvement in Trump University.
Probably not. They just want a nice big wall, Dave. Big wall. Mexico's going to pay for the wall.